thanks. Now, this weekend marks the 30th anniversary of the blizzard of 1993. It piled snow across much of the eastern United States. Our chief meteorologist, Mark Reynolds, is here. Obviously, Mark, you were here. What impact did this have? Did the storm have?
You know, it had so much wind and so much snow here. One day record snowfall totals across many cities. Ours was the fourth single day heaviest snow, the fourth in history of the weather. So
wow.
Yeah, it was quite a storm. The blizzard definitely had a lot of wind energy, deep barometric pressure, a lot of heavy snow, and unfortunately a lot of fatalities. This was a scene at City Hall during the blizzard of 1993 in Johnson City. The storm paralyzed the Tri-Cities with heavy snow, intense winds, and cold temperatures. The Tri-City Airport recorded a low temperature of 8 degrees on March 14th and 1 degree above zero on March 15th, 1993. The storm of the century, as it's known now, formed over South Texas along the coastline and moved into the western Gulf of Mexico on March 12, 1993. The storm rapidly strengthened and moved inland across the Florida Panhandle. It then moved into the southeastern part of the country and up the east coast through March 14th. The storm was so intense that it produced a squall line of thunderstorms across the Florida peninsula, which spawned 11 tornadoes and produced damaging hurricane-force winds across the Gulf of Mexico into Florida, south to Cuba. In fact, Cuban officials reported 120-mile-per-hour winds with the storm. The strength of the storm pulled in the cold air, while the tight pressure gradient produced blizzard conditions and record snowfall from Mobile, Alabama to New England. Snowfall with the blizzard was incredible. Mount LeConte in the Smokies recorded 60 inches of snow, while Mount Mitchell, North Carolina recorded 50 inches of snowfall. Chattanooga recorded 20 inches of snow, while Knoxville had 11, and Tri-Cities received 13 inches of snow from the storm. Snowshoe in West Virginia recorded a whopping 44 inches of snow, while Boone, North Carolina saw 33 inches. Gatlinburg picked up 30 inches of snow, and London, Kentucky, 22 inches of snow. The Deep South got snow as well. Atlanta Airport picked up over 4 inches of snow, while parts of the northern suburbs of Atlanta recorded 10 inches of snowfall. The blizzard left 10 million without power and caused $5.5 billion in damages in 1993. The storm of the century also took the lives of over 300 people. It's a storm we'll never forget.
And you can go to WJHL.com now for an extended look back at the blizzard of '93. New at 5:30.